welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue. As you read by the title, I'm here unboxing my Yaster nail brushes. In every video you hear me talking about my Yaster nail brush. Those are the only nail brushes that I actually use besides that panel brush I have. And I also have other brand brushes, but I typically go for my Yaster brushes. Now, before I decided to actually do this review, I've been using Yaster for over a year now, way before I started my YouTube channel. But I also like to experiment with other brushes and try to see and work my way around them. But yeah, I've been using these brushes for a year now, so it's, I can actually vouch for the brushes that I've been using. And so here, just show you the care instructions. Now these are their social medias and all that, and on the side of the box it says 100% calligraphy. I remember in one of my videos I was saying that I didn't remember if it was 100% calligraphy or not, but on the box it said 100% calligraphy. And now some people can say it's 100% calligraphy and lie, but I really do think they possibly are 100% calligraphy, because my brush that I got like over a year ago is still performing better than like one of these brand brushes I got. I should have showed it in the video, the other brand brush I got that supposedly is 100% calligraphy, but every time, no matter what brand I use, acrylic will get stuck in my brush. So yeah, these are size 16 now. The pink one is the round one, and then the, what is that, crystal? I don't know what you call it. The handle is crimped. Now these brushes, I think they was on sale. Well, even if they wasn't, no, they wasn't on sale. These 16 wasn't on sale, but these 16 brushes was retailed at $21.59, I believe. And I know a lot of people might be sketchy about that, but honestly, I think this brand is like where everybody, like most people probably get their like suppliers and stuff. Not saying this brand, but they're overseas companies, so you can expect usually they'll be the ones that people go, to get their products from. So as you seen in that clip right before this one, I was just cleaning out the glue, and then now I'm just showing y'all how thick. Now this one is the one you see mostly in my video. I think this is a size 10, and so I have 8, 10, 12, 14, and now 16. Well, I think I'm missing the 14 because I messed it up. Yeah, I messed it up. So I'm actually gonna be grabbing acrylics that I don't necessarily use, or I just swatched. And yeah, I didn't want to use like my bum nails product just to demonstrate how this brush performing, because I'm not finna waste my acrylic. What I am sort of say gonna waste is things that I haven't used yet, or just swatched it one time, or I know that I probably won't use on my channel just because of the color that it is. And so yeah, this is just me swatching and seeing how I perform. Now personally, I am loving these brushes. Now I still have to break my brushes in. This is why I was doing this, like just randomly swatching them just to break my brushes in. And I am feeling this round brush better than the crimp one. Usually I like my brushes crimp, but this round one right here, it was pretty decent. Now excuse me, I did record myself using this brush, but the set did not come out the way I liked it, and so I had discarded it. Originally I was just gonna show y'all like even application in this video, but the video was too long. All I wanted to show y'all was the new brushes and how they perform. I will be doing a nail set show, in the future using, my 16 brushes. I will say that when I was using my brush in that video that I said I already discarded, so it's too late for me to save it or show y'all, it actually cut my application time down to like 3 to 5 minutes. So although we're using a bigger brush, or me, or not y'all, or whoever, it, bigger the brush, the more monomer it's gonna eat up. And so as you can see, I'm pretty much wasting a lot of monomer. Excuse me. And here you see me this acrylic that I custom made myself is not the best. That's why I decided to pull that one out also, because look how much that's in there. It's dang near a whole full ounce, and I didn't like the cover that I created. It came from, I forgot the products I used. It might have been shown on the top, but I mixed two brands together that didn't function right or whatever. And so yeah, here I'm just picking up beads, and it kind of polymerized. The time that it polymerized is kind of a little bit slower, because with bigger beads you got more acrylic, so it's gonna take just a little bit longer for the acrylic to fully polymerize. So I do have to wait just a little bit. And my usual when I use is like a size 10 or 8. Now with Yaster, they actually sell various different sizes. I think, well, the largest excuse me, size I seen is a 16, but they do go down to a 8. Now they sell more than just acrylic brushes. I think I seen dapping dishes, but me personally, them dapping dishes was like $20. So I was like, oh, I don't know about that. But think about it. I have a discount code, which is Brianna, and you save 20% off plus free shipping. So although that dabbing dish might be $20, you gotta think about it. You getting free shipping, because sometimes shipping can be like $10 to $15 depending on who you shopping from. So I was like, yeah, that's a good deal. I think that's why they're priced at that. And I think they also have liner brushes, and that's where, well, I messed those up because I don't take care of my stuff, y'all. That's why I'm saying this brand of acrylic brushes is pretty good, because I do not take care of my stuff at all. Me personally, I do not. Like, sometimes I forget about cleaning my brushes, or like my liner brushes, I just completely just neglected them. That's why I don't be doing nail art on my channel, because I just messed them up to whereas but it is a way that you can fix them. I know that you can clean them and then use base coat, to get what's remaining left out of the brush, kind of like it's condition the brush back to what the normalness, whatever you want to call it. But me, let's just say I'm just lazy. Now in my next video, I think I'm gonna be, now I pre-record my videos, so sometimes I do them out of order, and y'all hear me say something. Like, say if I said, oh, I got an unboxing coming up, I done did the unboxing before that video don't even came out. But I think my next video is gonna be my Cairo nail supply unboxing, because she had a nail competition and I won second place, and so I got 6 free acrylics, and plus I made a purchase and bought her, I forgot what it's called, Tropical Shores collection, which is like a neon collection. Now, I'm gonna be totally honest, I didn't like it so far, but I realized, you'll see in the video when I get to explaining it, why I noticed. Because usually I expect every brand to be like bomb nails. Not gonna lie, I don't care what it is. This pink purple is so pigmented. But anyways, I expect every brand to be like bomb nails. But I gotta realize that every brand don't work the same. And so with the acrylics, though, her collection of neons, because I didn't purchase bomb nails. I just purchased her 90s collection instead of the neons, because I knew Cairo's were coming out with sort of, say, a neon collection, so I wanted to support both. Brand ambassador for her company. I gotta support, not necessarily, but yeah, I gotta support. And so these, like, in the video I'm gonna be telling y'all, you gonna see like the marbling one. I didn't even shake them up, y'all. That's my fault, but I am gonna redo that. You gonna see in the video, whatever. And those acrylics, they're not buildable. Like with bomb nails, I can use her products and build them up. But these neons that I got from Cairo's, I can't build them up like how I would with bomb nails. And I'm just not realizing this, because I filmed 2 videos in one day, y'all. I typically do it a lot. That's why sometimes when I be speaking on things in videos, and it be like a week or 2 don't pass, that's the reason why. Because I'll be having so many videos already lined up for y'all, because life get busy, and so I have to keep moving forward and keep pushing. And so if you ever want to, need content pushing out, try to like do 2 videos in one day. I know a lot of people probably don't have time or storage, but me, I don't spend years doing nails anyways. So average, depending on what I'm doing, a set can last from 45 minutes to probably 2 hours. That if I'm doing like some nail art or something that requires a lot of work. And so yeah, y'all, I'm just showing y'all that the brushes are pretty decent. Now, nothing was stuck in the brush, but I was trying to swatch as if I was trying to make something get in the brush and see how would that work. And it came out, whatever was in the brush came out easily when I went to swap it on the paper towel, well, whatever this is. Now, I really do not recommend these pink things because when I went off to clean, when I went to clean the brushes, I noticed that the fibers on that whatever material that is was on the brush, so to say. So I really need to give me some of them Viva paper towels because quit saying anyways. But yeah, I noticed that the fibers was getting in the brush, and that's one of the main reasons why your paper towels actually matter too when you're doing acrylic sets. And these really ain't the best. And so I probably got like 2 or 3 left anyways. So I'm probably just gonna hit up my local Dollar General and just go get me some Viva paper towel. Or I noticed, I think they sell them on Amazon, like the big ones. I can't remember who I seen using them. I watched too many people to remember. Dang. But it was on Amazon, those big sheets where you can just probably cut them up in folds and still have a sheet bigger than the pink ones I use. But yeah, y'all, let me know if y'all feeling. And also, y'all, because people be out here playing. Y'all know how y'all collaborate with brands and stuff. They give you a code and they like say, well, they actually didn't say I was gonna receive commission, but one day I just hit them up and asking like, do I receive commission? Because I got a code. So what's the point of having a code and not receiving commission? And I asked. It was like, oh yeah, you have such a many number orders with your code. Here's your. I was like, wow, I didn't know. So officially now, if you use my discount code, I do receive a little bit of commission. And please let me know, because if I don't say nothing to them, then they won't tell me, because I notice a lot of brands do that. Well, brands that overseas, I think does that. But let me know if y'all use my code, because I'm going to write the people's name down who use my code or whatever, just to keep track and make sure that I'm not getting messed over or anything. Because if I'm like promoting something and you falsely say if 10 people use my code and they said only 5 did, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all ever shop, just leave me a little comment in any one of my videos, because usually I'm going to be using the brush and say, oh, I ordered. And I'm going to let you know, because I think the video about to end, but I'm going to keep on talking. And if it just go out, it just go out. But in one of my I was trying to figure out what was going on with my 876 code, because 2 people told me they use my code, but when I go inside the portal or whatever, when you look and see who used your code, how much commission you gonna make, it shows 0. Now it could be possibly that they didn't use the code or they used somebody else or whatever. But here I'm just gonna be showing y'all. I'm gonna go get into that another time, whatever. But we heading towards the end of this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also use my discount code Brianna, BRIANA, to receive 20% off your order plus free shipping. And I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one. Bye.